it is more about details of family, like family size, number of boys between 0 to 4 and 4 to 8, number of girls between 0 to 4 and 4 to 8, an occupation which is coded as 1, 2, 3. That means here 1 is agriculture, 2 business, 3 service, and income is coded as 1 and 2, low income, high income. Education, which is coded as literate, that is 1, SSC, HSC, graduate, that is 4. And family type, nuclear and joint, as 1 and 2. This is the data. Now, we are asked to perform these exercises, mean and standard deviation of number of boys and number of girls. Now, we'll go to the data sheet, which I have already created. Here, number of boys are given, number of girls also are given between certain specific ages. Say this case number 1, that is family 1. Family size is 4, and number of boys, number of girls are also given. So what we need to do, create a new variable by adding these 2 boys between 0, 4 and 4 to 8 as a number of boys, and another variable as number of girls by adding 2 this girls between 0, 4 and 4 to 8. So let us perform that. Compute variable. So here boys. So boys between 0, 4 plus boy between 4 and 8. Click OK. So you can come back and see whether it's done. Yeah, here boys have come. 1 minute. It has come here. Only thing is that formatting, we require the formatting, we can do that. Okay. Next, let us come and create girls also. Let us remove this one completely. And girls between 0, 4 plus girls between 4 and 8. So that's also created here. And now better create one more, because that's asked later about the children. How many are there? So girls plus boys between 0, 4 plus between 4 and 8. So you get that also. Let us check everything whether it's okay. Okay, we can format them proper. Here we don't require the decimal points after digits after the decimal point, and center them so that readability will increase. Now have a look at the data sheet. Boys, girls, and the total children are there. Now come back. So mean and standard deviation of number of boys and number of girls. So that is very easy to calculate. We can come here, analyze descriptive statistics, frequencies. So number of boys, number of girls. Okay, boys and girls. And you need mean and standard deviation. Mean and standard deviation. Of course, you can remove this. So here, mean number of boys 0.53, mean number of girls 0.33. Standard deviation also is given there. Now come back and have the next question. Mean number of children in each income group. So what we have to do is in each income group, so we have to use the split file using compare using income group. Okay, that is done. And now come to descriptive statistics frequencies. Mean number of children it is asked. So we can go to the last, and mean is already selected, standard deviation not required, remove that and click OK. So low income group, the mean number of children is 1.2, and high income group, the mean number of children is 0.8. Now come back to this. Mean number of children in low income nuclear family, low income joint family, high income nuclear family, high income joint family. So we'll go to that data sheet. Question is same, but the groups are different. So here, split file, low income, high income comes under income, and also the family type will come, nuclear and joint. So when we put these two splitting variables, it will be split into these different categories. And here, we'll come to this. We have to calculate the mean. So the children here and statistics mean, and click OK. So low income nuclear family mean is 1. Low income joint family mean is 2. High income nuclear family, it is 1.2. High income joint family, it is 0.53. So specifically each category it gives. Now come to the next, mean number of children in each family type. So you can go back and split file, only family type, click OK and go for analyze and mean number of children you get. Say nuclear family 1.14, joint family 0.63. And then bar diagram of family type. Again, we can come here and analyze descriptive statistics frequencies. Can remove this one. Sorry, we have to put off the split file. Analyze all cases, do not create groups. And now come to this descriptive statistics frequencies and bar diagram of what actually is that? Bar diagram of family type. So family type and bar diagram. Click OK. So nuclear family, joint family it comes. Now the next line of regression of number of children on family size. Analyze a regression linear. Number of children. I think they have to be redefined. 1 minute. We have to make it scale variable. Here, it has become nominal. Should be made scale. Okay. Now go to this and number of children, not this one, a regression analysis. Okay, number of children on family size. Click OK. So here A is minus 0.238. B is 1.96. Then next one, test the hypothesis that mean number of children is same in each family type. Mean number of children is same in each family type. So we can come to this and analyze, compare means, independent samples t-test, and the children here, and family type we can put here, and define the groups 1 and 2. So here that again we have to see the Lebanese test. Significance is 0.5, very high, false in acceptance region, null hypothesis accepted. That means there is no difference between variances. So we have to proceed with the first line, 1.42, and two-tailed significance is 0.16, that falls in the acceptance region. Null hypothesis accepted. There is no difference between the family types as far as number of children are concerned. Test the hypothesis that there is no difference in mean number of children between the two genders. Means as far as the number of girls and number of boys, there is no difference. So here we can adopt that paired samples t-test. So here we can put boys and also girls here. So what happens? T-value 1.1, that is very small. And two-tailed significance. What is the question? Question says, does the hypothesis there is no difference? Okay, so alternative can be not equal to. So that can be two-tailed significance. One, it is 0.26, very big, falls in the acceptance region, and null hypothesis accepted. And next question is, does the hypothesis that mean number of boys is above 1? So that you can use this one samples t-test. So mean number of boys above 1. So t-value minus 3.5. Two-tailed significance. We need one tail. So divide by 2.001 it will be. Much smaller than 0.05. Falls in the rejection region. So we reject the null hypothesis that it is 1. So we accept the alternative. And test the hypothesis that the number of girls and the family type are independent. So chi-square test. So we can come here, descriptive statistics cross tabulation, number of girls and family type, and go to statistics chi-square. So the chi-square value 2.16 and two-sided 16.339. Much one-sided significance will be divided by 2. Much greater than 0.05 falls in the acceptance region. The two attributes are independent only. Does the hypothesis that number of boys and profession are independent? So we can do this again. Come to cross tab. Number of boys and profession. Profession, you have to take it. Occupation, yeah. And chi-square is selected already. And the value is very small. Two-sided significance 0.93 divided by 2, 0.46 something. It will be much bigger than 0.05. Falls in the acceptance region. Null hypothesis is accepted. There is no difference. The two attributes are independent. So this completes this exercise.